Good morning, members of the press and my voters of Lira City East. I'm called Isaac Apenyo. Today, I'm truly honored and humbled to be officially nominated as one of the candidates aspiring for Lira City East Member of Parliament. I want to start by thanking the Electoral Commission for organizing this process smoothly and in a very transparent way. It has been very easy. We were able to do our pre-nomination a few days ago, so today was just a walkover. But what I want to tell them is I wish they could change their laws and bring back the system of joint candidates meeting so that we are able to sieve the kind of leaders we are sending to parliament. People have started joining politics. They are singers, they are jokers, they are comedians. We want material to go to parliament. In parliament, we're not going to sing. In parliament, we're going for policy making. And we need the kind of leaders who are able to articulate the interests of the voters. I'm vying to be a member of parliament. There are 3 or 4 cardinal roles of a member of parliament. One is legislation. What kind of laws are you going to make? I'll always be in touch with my people on the ground, with my voters. If there are controversial laws, I'll first come and consult them before I make any law. 2, another role of a member of parliament is budgeting or appropriation. As a member of parliament for Lira City East, I'll make sure we budget enough funds for our voters of Lira City East and Lira City in general. Another role of a member of parliament is representation. You have to represent your people well. And as you can see from my face, I'm a true leader. I will not disappoint them. I'm not a joker. I'm not a comedian. Another role of a member of parliament is oversight role. Government send funds down here to be used for development purposes, for water, roads, health, but we need leaders who can come down and monitor those programs. And another role, I'll be a lobbyist. I'll lobby for Lira City East. I'll lobby the government to bring an industrial hub in Lira, like we are seeing in Namangwe, so that our youth from here get employed. To my fellow candidates, to my fellow contenders, I'm asking this, I'm requesting this. Let us play this politics well. Not politics of insult, not politics of abuse, violence, or what. Because in the end, there will always be one candidate who will win for the position of Member of Parliament of Lira City East, and that is none other than Isaac Apenyo. Thank you very much.
So, Isaac, before you go, you already failed in the UPC primary.
Yes.
What gives you hope and confidence that in this general election you can still make it?
Yeah, in the UPC primaries, it's true, I'm coming as an independent candidate. But you know what happens in the primaries? There are very few people who vote. There were about 1,000 delegates who voted. But now, the 1,000 who voted, I didn't make it. But that is not, in the whole constituency, there are about 56,000 to 60,000 voters. So I can't stand down because of what the 1,000 people have done. No. I know I have a good manifesto. I have my good plans for Lira City East. And if I talk to them, they will listen to me and vote for me.
Can you briefly, because people may want to know, who is Isaac Apenyo? Can you briefly describe yourself?
Isaac Apenyo. I was born and brought up in Lira City East. I studied in Boroboro, Colonel Lawrence Demonstration School, primary level. Then I joined DOC for O level. After DOC, I went to Kiambogo College School for A level, where I passed and got admitted in Makerere University, where I did economics and social administration. From there, I got employment in Lira with Minister of Water, Lands and Environment as Assistant District Water Officer. I worked for 5 years. Then I went back to school for my master's. I did master's in social sector planning and management from Makerere University. At the same time I was doing my master's, I enrolled as a student in Law Development Center, where I attained a certificate in administrative law. After 5 years, in 2012, I again went back to school, to Uganda Management Institute, where I did a postgraduate diploma in public administration and management, where I got a first-class degree. From where? From Uganda Management Institute. And I was supposed to remain there and lecture, but I told them, no, I don't have that time, I'm joining politics. I've been contesting, yes. I contested in a jury, and I won. But you know, the elections were rigged. Now, I couldn't contest here because I was respecting my brother, James Michael Akena Obore. But now that he has left, I've come back to my people, and I'm sure I'm going to make it.
And you mentioned that your election was rigged in a jury.
Yes.
Supposing the same thing happens here, do you have any measures in place to make sure that it doesn't?
Yeah, I have measures in place now. You know, in the city here, it's very easy to monitor and to monitor how the voting is going on. But in the village, people are so scared. Whenever they see a soldier or a person with a gun, they get so scared.
Okay. Summary. Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.